In today's video, I'm going to teach you cheaper and no watermark. We're diving into how to use the new Nano Banana 2 AI model inside n8n, so you can build automations that are affordable and free of watermarks. Nano Banana 2 is cost-effective, quick, and great for creative tasks, so let's set it up together. Start by opening your n8n cloud workspace and creating a new workflow. You'll land on a blank canvas with a panel on the right asking what triggers this workflow. For easy testing, choose the Manual Trigger option. This places a manual trigger node on the canvas, which is perfect for trying things out before you wire it into a live process. Next, add the AI component that will run Nano Banana 2. In the right panel under What Happens Next, click AI and select AI Agent. This node is your bridge to compatible AI models, whether you want to generate text, images, or both, and it keeps everything configurable in one place. Open the AI agent settings. You'll see fields like chat model, base URL, model name, and prompt. For the chat model, pick the provider or connector that supports Nano Banana 2, such as a compatible API gateway or service. For the base URL, point to your AI host. If you're running locally, use something like HTTP localhost 11434. If you're using a cloud service, paste the API URL from that provider's documentation. In model name, type exactly Nano Banana 2. This precise name ensures n8n routes your requests to the correct model. Now, craft your prompt. Clear guidance leads to better results. For example, you can say, "You are a creative assistant using Nano Banana 2. Generate a friendly marketing caption based on the user message." Keep it short and engaging. Feel free to tailor the tone and constraints to match your brand or use case. Connect the manual trigger to the AI agent and click Execute Workflow. A test input field will appear. Enter something like, "Write a product description for a new coffee mug." Run it, and you'll see the model's response in the AI node's output panel. If the tone isn't quite right, tweak your prompt and test again until it matches your style. From here, you can route the AI output anywhere n8n connects. Google Sheets for logging, Slack for team notifications, email for outreach, or Telegram for chat delivery. For example, add a Google Sheets node after the AI agent to save every response automatically. Nano Banana 2 stands out because it's cheaper than many large models, fast and efficient, and it doesn't add watermarks to generated content, ideal for high-volume automations without extra costs. And that's it. You're now using Nano Banana 2 inside n8n for clean, affordable AI outputs. If this helped, please like, subscribe, and share for more AI automation tutorials. Thanks for watching.